Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for James in Kentucky on the Stryker SR-655hp. James, got it ready to go for you, bud. Our tune alignment. We did a voltage regulator upgrade. We also upgraded your finals to the ERF2030 pluses, which gives these quite a big boost. They come with RF520s. The 2030 pluses are basically indestructible, and see a 25 to 30 watt increase most of the time on these radios. So let's get right to it. We'll roll our power all the way down, 50 watt slug. Got you sitting right there about 3 watts. Roll it all the way up, 24 watts. I'll show you average power swing. Low, 50 watt in the corner. Let me put the 250 watt slug on average, reading the top scale. Low, about 65 average. Peak scale. Low, just a hair under 125 watts PEP. Okay. James, got this ready to go. I hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump bump.